Can I transfer funds from multiple eBay gift cards to my PayPal account?
Hello everyone. Today we're tackling a question we've heard quite often. Can I transfer funds from multiple eBay gift cards to my PayPal account? Understanding these platforms can be a bit confusing, so let's dive in and figure it out together.
Understanding eBay gift cards.
First off, let's make sure we're clear on what an eBay gift card is. eBay gift cards are prepaid cards that can be used to purchase items on the eBay platform. They're often used as gifts, hence the name, but can also be a great way to manage your spending. The key thing to understand here is that eBay gift cards are designed to be used for purchases on eBay, not as a direct source of funds for your PayPal account.
Can you transfer funds from eBay gift cards to PayPal?
Here's where we get to the heart of the matter. So, can you transfer funds from your eBay gift cards to your PayPal account? As of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, the short answer is no. eBay gift cards can't be transferred to a PayPal account directly. eBay and PayPal, though historically linked, have separate policies for their respective gift cards.
Using eBay gift cards for purchases.
So, how can you use your eBay gift cards? You can apply them towards purchases on eBay. If you have multiple eBay gift cards, you can use all of them on a single purchase as long as the total value does not exceed the item's price. Remember that you can use multiple gift cards for one purchase on eBay, but you can't convert them into cash or transfer them to your PayPal account. So, there you have it. Even though you can't transfer funds from eBay gift cards directly to your PayPal account, you can still use them to shop a vast range of items on eBay. I hope this video helped clear up some of the confusion surrounding eBay gift cards and PayPal. Keep exploring and making the most of your online shopping experiences.